Black OMG. No, Black Hair OMG. What's up, Black Hair OMG? My name is Dayna and I'm going to be showing you today how to protect your hair and prep it for protective style. So if that's what you want to hear today, stick around to the end of the video as I take you step by step exactly what I do. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications every single time new videos come out. We want to see you here. So let's get right in. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix up what we need to prep our hair. So first we'll start with the rinse. So what you'll need is 2 cups of distilled water, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I use a squirt bottle with a tip because it makes it easier to apply to the scalp. And today I'm gonna use thyme and marjoram. You'll notice in Kinky Locs, the recipe calls for basil. You can use any one of these to kind of stimulate the scalp and help to clarify. So we'll go ahead and mix them right in the bowl. And we'll do about 5 drops of thyme. This is going to be an excellent stimulator for the scalp. And then we'll do about 3 drops of marjoram. And there you have it. You have your vinegar rinse, and we'll go ahead and put it in the squirt bottle. And any leftovers that you have, you can use it for another application. And there you have it. So next we'll do the Power Protein Mask. Again, this recipe is in Kinky Locs. So we'll use about 1 cup of mineral water this time. And then these packets for the gelatin, it's a plain gelatin. It's about 1 ounce in each packet. So you really need about 1/2 ounce. So you can go ahead and put about 1/2 in there, or you can double up the recipe. Mix that up, mix it really good. And then you're gonna add your oils to it. So today I'm gonna do cedarwood. So we'll do 5 drops of cedarwood. And then for a little bit of stimulation, I'm gonna do cypress. We'll do 3 drops of cypress. And then we'll do manuka to seal everything in. Three drops of manuka. And there you have it. You have your Power Protein Mask. All right, guys, so you have your applicator bottle with your rinse in it, in that mixture, and go ahead and section your hair into nice 4 sections. That way it's easy to get down into that scalp area. And then you're gonna just apply it right directly into the scalp. Try not to drip any on you. That's why I got the towel there. But
You section it. I just section it simply with my finger. You can use a comb if you would like, but again, you want to make sure that rinse gets right into the scalp and massage it in. Once you massage that in really well, that's going to help to cleanse out that scalp. It's going to help to redefine it so that you can have a super clean scalp. Next, we're going to go into that protein, and that's the gelatin. And depending on how long you leave it in the refrigerator, depends on how thick you want it. So this is after I have rinsed out that rinse. I'm going to apply that protein all over because we want to make sure that our hair is super strong and has all it can, because it's going to have a lot of tension, a lot of pull once we put it into that protective style. So you want to make sure each and every piece is as strong as it possibly can. So apply that all over your hair. Next, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get like a shower cap or something just to kind of protect it. And what I like to do is put just a little bit of heat on it, again, to push the protein into each hair follicle. So I just use my little handy dandy dryer. It's portable. I love it. It's super convenient. It's super easy. And so again, you're gonna just put that right on.
So all right, to stretch out the hair, I'm going to use Curlformers. So as you can see, I've applied them all throughout the hair. This is not going to be for styling, but just simply because I'm doing it on clean hair. I've gone ahead and rinsed out that protein mask. This is just going to help to stretch out the hair a little bit. With the Curlformers, you want to make sure when you take them out, you loosen the end and then just kind of pull them through so you don't pull on your hair at all. So this is a super simple process. Sometimes I might do 2 or 3 at a time because it comes right on through. But the idea is you just don't want to pull on the hair. Another thing I'll do to kind of prep my scalp is I'll take clove oil as well as like rosemary or tea tree, and I'll use that in my scalp to just go ahead and allow circulation, less tension and pull on each one of my hair follicles. And there you got it.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That is exactly what I do step by step. And as you can see with my protective style, it lasts very long. I'm gonna have a healthy scalp throughout the process because we wanna make sure when we're trying to protect our style, we wanna protect our hair, keep it growing, keep it healthy. So all of those things are super important. So I appreciate you sticking around. Again, if you have not already, be sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. I love you so much.